Hi, this is Paul Howell, Managing Editor for Singapore Business Review, and today I'm presenting the Technology Excellence Awards for 2021, celebrating all the best, the brightest and the most dynamic digital projects from across Singapore business over the last 12 months. Winning in the Augmented and Virtual Reality category in the telecommunications industry was CITIC Telecom CPC, and I'm joined now by its Chief Information and Innovation Officer, Daniel Kwong. Daniel, thanks very much for being here and congratulations.
Thank you for this award. On behalf of CITIC Telecom CPC, I would like to thank you, Singapore Business Review, for this great honor. We are very proud to win the Business Technology Excellence Award 2021 under the Augmented and Virtual Reality Telecommunication category. We are glad that AR Remote Hand using innovative AR glass together with AR video conferencing to provide field engineers with a heads-up display that speed up troubleshooting and maintenance process won the recognition from the judge. It removed language and distance barrier and increased field engineer productivity by 50%. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the judge, our customer and partner for your faith and support in our AR Remote Hand service. Thank you.
Can you tell us about your winning project? This was the DataHOUSE AR Remote Hand. What is that and how does it work?
Well, the AR Remote Hand actually use the AR technology together with AR glasses and an operation console for providing the field engine virtual collaboration between the offsite member while they streaming the installation data in real time. The AR Remote Hand service utilize artificial intelligence, 5G, and also high performance advanced computing technology to help our field engineer to overcome the challenge of a different time zone, language, and also distance barrier. And a lot of the time is the professional skill in different multi-technology environment require collaboration to get a service working. So they can actually use different type of method, including hand gesture, to speed up the analysis and troubleshooting and show the problem area and meet that. The overall outcome is actually minimizing a lot of the downtime caused while helping from a statistic point of view. It actually shows that it boosts about 50% of the productivity of the field engineer.
So is there one element or even a couple of elements of the project that you and your team are most proud of?
Honestly, to create a AR Remote Hand service, CITIC Telecom CPC's professional team of data scientists and also research and development experts combine their knowledge with innovation scientists from the Hong Kong Applied Science and Technology Research Institute, short name is called S3. The combination of the two teams that has been very successful in creating such a groundbreaking technology and revolutionized our data center management and maintenance. The AR Remote Hand service has innovation that goes beyond a farther way to access data center and menu to enhance the teamwork collaboration across different physical locations. The power of these collaborative features come from a AR console that is under the back-end operation control of offsite team member. This offsite personnel may process a variety of technical and business knowledge different from their different area of the field engineer on site. Therefore, the AR console allow the team member not only to collaborate with the field engine via hand-free video conferencing, but also via the AR headset. It also gives the field engineer a clear instruction about the 3D AR augmented labeling, so the field engine can directly visualize what exactly happened to that piece of equipment, and they can also get the back-end data about how the healthiness of the equipment and different type of statistic data in a real time. That actually dynamically reduce a lot of procedural error and can arise from a traditional way, because in a data center is a cloud environment, is a bit noisy because all the server running. So the AR technology, especially in the COVID-19 situation, really helped us a lot in deploying service, especially in the COVID situation. A lot of companies require speed up their bandwidth and also their computing power in the data center.
Well, now, does the project have applications to other industries outside of telecommunications?
Yeah, actually, the AR remote hand service is only our first phase that providing a dedicated use case for data center only. But we actually have a longer term solution. In the meantime, we also deploy the same technology, not just on the data center, but also for the field service engine that we need to deploy on the customer on site. Okay, so basically they're using the similar technology. But however, we are actually moving forward to enhance our AR glasses with different type of artificial intelligence to actually help different business customer to customize their 3D augmented reality environment. We are actually undergoes a second project with actually right now. So we hope to generalize that to create a 3D augmented reality platform that can be applicable in different type of industries, such as medical, smart city, law enforcement, and different type of use case. Yeah.
The technology industry is always changing. There's always new trends and innovations happening. How does CITIC Telecom CPC plan to stay relevant in such a competitive industry, particularly in telecommunications?
Well, CITIC Telecom CPC is one of the leading global local ICT solution partner that offer different range of service. So principally, we have 4 different type of service. The True Connect, which is our advanced private network solution. Trust CSI is our integrated suite of information security solution. Smart Cloud is our high performance cloud computing platform to serve our customer, and DataHOUSE is our global unified cloud data center. So in order to stay relevant in such a competitive industry, we continue to create cutting edge customized solution for our customer. CITIC Telecom CPC has been the best practice and also well establishment on boarding capability to ensure to continue provide different innovation solution on top of our 4 core pillars. So being a preferred digital society enabler, we lead our key markets at the forefront of pioneer ICT development, embracing AI, AR, big data, IoT, and other cutting edge technology into our 4 pillars. So that actually can help our customer to achieve a higher productivity, agility, and digital globalization.
What will be your focus in the coming years? Is there any initiatives or further projects that your clients and customers can look forward to seeing?
Yes, other than what I have just mentioned earlier, CITIC Telecom CPC has invested a lot in our R&D to come up different type of system, and also not just for customer, but also enhancing our operational efficiency so that we can serve better for our customer. For example, we have developed our internal recommender system, different type of AI-based predictive maintenance, augmented operation, which is the AR glasses, and also different type of new AI-based R&D initiative to complement the remote hand service to enhance our customer experience and also to enhance our operation efficiency. So other than just the AR remote hand, so we are exploring to enhance our AI capability into one of our main pillar, the True Connect hybrid service, which is the SD-WAN private network solution. So in the coming months, you'll see that we will have some groundbreaking news to the market about how we leverage AI to intelligently manage the SD-WAN environment.
And finally, Daniel, what does winning in the SBR Technology Excellence Awards mean to you and the rest of your team?
Well, our innovative AR remote hand solution is a result of the hard work of our data scientists and R&D experts. It's a collaboration, not just in our headquarters in Hong Kong, but also we have different department responsible for different area in getting the solution up and running. For example, our Chengdu data science research facility actually focusing on how to incorporate the big data into the system. We have a Guangzhou team to specially handle the computer vision part to detect different objects in the AR environment. And Hong Kong, in the Hong Kong, we actually more on as a project coordinator to work with the S3 to come up with the project. So as one of the world premier connectivity cloud service and data center provider, we have drawn upon our best practice and expert learning to develop the AR DataHOUSE AR Remote Hand service into a highly practical, productive, and effective tools for field engineer. We are glad that our efforts are being recognized by Singapore Business Review panel of judges, and it is a strong motivator for us to continue our hard work in developing and designing more cutting-edge solution for our customer.
Daniel Kwong, thank you very much for joining me, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.